Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this football club ranking filters on TikTok. So this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, remember in the trending section, this image. Remember this image. This is the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the effect here in trending section. What you can do, turn on the search button. And here search for football club. Okay, the third one, football club ranking with 2.4 million videos, up there. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for football club ranking. Okay.
Ranking the best.
Here you will see many videos with this effect. Okay, go to the first one. In this video, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow, football club ranking. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.